2025 Honda HR-V Review. Versatile and efficient. The 2025 Honda HR-V continues its evolution as a versatile, efficient, and stylish subcompact SUV that meets the needs of urban drivers and small families alike. With thoughtful updates to design, technology, and overall refinement, Honda's smallest crossover remains a key player in a crowded and competitive segment. The HR-V is no longer just an entry-level SUV, it's a smart, comfortable, and value-packed daily driver. Sophisticated styling with a modern edge. Visually, the 2025 HR-V carries forward the more mature and upscale design language introduced in the previous generation. The front end features a bold honeycomb grille, sleek LED headlights, and a clean, minimalist fascia that exudes a more premium presence than its price suggests. Strong character lines along the sides and a gently sloping roofline give the HR-V a dynamic profile, while redesigned alloy wheels and new color options, such as urban gray pearl and Nordic forest, add fresh appeal. Its overall proportions are slightly larger than some rivals, giving the HR-V a confident stance on the road and helping to create more interior space, a hallmark of this model. Balanced performance and fuel efficiency. Under the hood, the 2025 HR-V retains its 2.0-liter naturally aspirated inline-4 engine, producing 158 horsepower and 138 lb-ft of torque. Mated to a smooth continuously variable transmission, CVT, the HR-V offers predictable and composed performance for daily commuting, errand running, and occasional highway trips. While not a performance SUV, the HR-V delivers a comfortable ride and confident handling thanks to its platform, which is shared with the Honda Civic. Available all-wheel drive enhances capability in inclement weather and light off-road conditions, while front-wheel drive remains the standard setup. Fuel efficiency is one of the HR-V's strong points, with EPA ratings expected to remain around 28 miles per gallon city and 34 miles per gallon highway for FWD models, making it one of the more efficient options in the subcompact SUV class. Interior, practicality meets comfort. Inside, the HR-V impresses with a clean, uncluttered dashboard layout and quality materials that defy its price point. The cabin benefits from Honda's "Man Maximum, Machine Minimum" philosophy, offering generous passenger space and clever packaging. Supportive front seats, ample rear legroom, and a flat rear floor make the HR-V feel roomier than most of its rivals. While the signature Magic Seat system from earlier generations is no longer present, the 60/40 split rear seatbacks still fold flat, creating a flexible cargo area with up to 55 cubic feet of space, plenty for gear, groceries, or weekend adventures. Tech-wise, the 2025 HR-V features a standard 7-inch digital instrument display and either a 7 or 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system, depending on trim. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are available, as are features like a wireless phone charger and a premium audio system in higher trims. Honda Sensing comes standard. All HR-V models come equipped with the Honda Sensing suite of safety and driver assistance technologies. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking, and traffic sign recognition. Blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert are available on higher trims, giving drivers added peace of mind. Verdict: a smart choice for everyday life. The 2025 Honda HR-V builds on its strengths to offer a compelling mix of efficiency, comfort, and versatility in a stylish, well-built package. Whether you're a first-time buyer, a city commuter, or a small family in need of dependable transportation, the HR-V remains one of the most well-rounded subcompact SUVs on the market.